Hi everyone, welcome back to the shop here at Stinky Fab Racing. Today I'm here to talk about our new chase light brackets for the back of the 6th generation Broncos. We had a lot of people coming to us asking about reverse lights or the amber dust lights. A lot of people don't like all the brackets that mount here in the spare tire, mainly because you gotta take the whole contraption apart to take your spare tire off. People that actually wheel need access to their spare. They don't want to take apart all sorts of stuff to get the spare tire off. I completely agree with that. So we designed up these brackets. There's one for each side, so you can run 2 lights. And they fit behind the tire, mounting to the bolts that attach the spare tire carrier to the door. So today I'm going to show you how to install those, and step 1 is taking the spare off. So once you have the spare out of the way, you've got the spare tire mount here. The upper bolts, they use a 13mm socket. There's 2 on each side that we are going to use with the new bracket. That's what holds them on. So we're going to pull out all 4 of the upper ones. So here's a little close-up view of those upper bolt holes where I took them out. You'll notice that the holes are a little bit recessed, and for that reason we supply a couple of washers. These are going to go between the factory spare tire carrier and the new bracket, and it just brings everything up to flush. So with those washers in place, we're going to go ahead and get our new bracket in there. We do supply new bolts. The factory ones aren't quite long enough to go through everything and still have enough thread engagement, so we give you all new bolts. You're just gonna get everything in place and snug them up. Alright, so now we got the brackets for both sides mocked up in place. I find the best way to get them level if you're doing both sides, if you got a straight edge, or in this case a piece of angle iron, you can just kind of set it on there and get it tight to the top. And that'll get the 2 sides lined up with each other. And then you can go ahead and snug up these bolts. And from here, it's just a matter of mounting up your lights. We provide a couple of slots in there for you to zip tie the wiring onto. Then you can run it down behind the carrier and through the vents into the door if you want. However you want to run the wiring. So there you go. We'll get this wrapped up, and I'll get the tire back on. You can check out how it looks when it's done. All right, so there we go. Got them all mounted up. I'm using a pair of Amber Baja Designs S2s. As you can see, there's enough room between the tire there. You should be able to fit pretty much any 37-inch tire. These are, of course, the stock 35-inch Sasquatch tires. Now, if you want to go to a bigger tire, you just flip the light to the top of the bracket. Like I said, these are Baja Designs S2s. S1s would fit as well, or if you want, you can go bigger and put them up on top. And yeah, it still allows, if you get bigger tires and you need to move the rear third brake light up, you can still use a relocation bracket there. These are totally separate from that. So yeah, head on over to stinkyfab.com. Check out all the products we got for the Broncos and Jeeps. And these, just like everything else that we sell, made here in the USA, Southern California.